Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for the new videos on my channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my channel for the first time, then I'm Sravya. I do videos related to beauty, fashion, lifestyle, cooking, experimental cooking, DIY, whatever comes in my mind. Today's video is about a recipe. It is a sweet pongal. I thought Dussehra is coming around and many of them will be preparing the sweets and all for the Dussehra festival, so I thought to upload this video. And plus there is another thing also. I have completed 1 year on the YouTuber. On October 16th 2017 was the day when I have started the YouTube. So I thought from the first very video after the year should be the something sweet dish, so I thought to upload this video. Without much blabbering and all, let's start with the video. Before heading to the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and if you have subscribed, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload video every Wednesday and Saturday. Now let's start with the video. For the sweet pongal, here is the ingredients. I will go through that one by one. All the measurements of that it will be given in the description box, so don't forget to check the description box. The ingredients we need is rice, moong dal, jaggery, elaichi powder, milk, cashew nuts and some ghee. I have already soaked rice and moong dal in water for overnight. This has been soaking here from last night. If you want, you can soak it for before 2 to 3 hours before also, but I would like to soak it overnight and cook it. Now I have taken the milk and I am keeping on the stove and bringing to the boil. As you can see, the milk is boiled. Now it's time to add the soaked rice and moong dal. I have drained all the water and I'm adding only the rice and moong dal in it. While that pongal is getting ready and cooked, meanwhile we will melt the jaggery. I have powdered the jaggery, added some water and keeping on the stove and melting it. Process is only to make the cooking process speeder, and plus if there is any dirt or dust in the jaggery, we will filter it off and we will take only the pure part of the jaggery. Keep on stirring so that all the jaggery get melted. Forget to keep on checking the pongal also side by so that it won't get burnt. Now we will fry the cashew nuts and keep aside. For that we need to take a small kadai. In that I am adding some ghee. Now add the cashew nuts and fry it for till golden brown. The flame and keep it aside. As you can see, it is already reduced into 1/4. It should completely reduced into 3/4. Then only we can do the further procedure. Keep on stirring continuously or else you will end up burning the sweet pongal. If you don't want to add that much of milk, you can reduce the milk and add the water instead of milk, but you won't get that good taste. I will suggest you to cook this in the milk only. without adding any extra water other than the jaggery water. No need of adding any other water. Then only the sweet pongal will be having the creamy texture and rich in sweetness. Now this is almost reduced into half. It's time to add the jaggery water. I'm just going to filter it. Add the jaggery water according to your sweetness level. It is not that you need to add the same measurement. Now mix it. And now cook it till completely reduced. As you can see, pongal is almost ready. It got thickened and milk also got reduced. Now in this, I'm going to add the elaichi powder. Elaichi powder will enhance the sweetness and the taste of the pongal. So you need to add the elaichi powder. Mix it well. See that there won't be any lumps in the elaichi powder while mixing. Now I'm adding almost a spoon of ghee. This is the optional step. If you want, you can add the additional ghee. If you don't want, you can skip it. You can just add the ghee whatever you have used for the frying while you're frying for the cashew nuts. That will be enough. But I like to add the additional ghee while cooking in the pongal. Just let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then we will add the cashew nuts and off the flame. Now add the fried cashew nuts in it. Give it a mix. And off the flame. That's it, your sweet pongal is ready. So yeah, that was the quick, easy, sweet recipe. Don't forget to share your feedbacks on this video or in any other video in the comment section below. I will be super soon coming with a new video. Till then, bye.